هل تريد أن تتكلم الإنجليزية بثقة في العمل داخل أمريكا؟ اليوم سوف تتعلم 20 كلمة إنجليزية يستعملها الأمريكيون كثيرا في بيئة العمل، كلمات ستسمعها يوميا في الشركات، المصانع، المكاتب وحتى أثناء الحديث مع المدير أو الزملاء.
Learning these common phrases will help you navigate American office culture with confidence and clarity. Communication and updates. Touch base. To briefly check in or talk with someone.
يتواصل لفترة قصيرة.
Let's touch base tomorrow about the report. I just wanted to touch base and see how the project is going. We should touch base before the client meeting starts. Keep me in the loop. To keep someone informed or updated on a project or situation.
أبقني على اطلاع أو أبقني في الصورة.
Please keep me in the loop on any client feedback. I'll keep you in the loop as soon as I hear back from the boss. Make sure to keep the manager in the loop regarding the budget. Follow up. To contact someone again to see if a task is done, or to continue a conversation.
متابعة أو تعقيب.
I'll follow up with the manager later today. Did you follow up with the customer about their order? I need to follow up on that email I sent last week. Get back to you. To respond to a question or request at a later time when you have the information.
سأرد عليك لاحقاً أو سأوافيك بالرد.
I'm not sure yet. I will get back to you by the end of the day. Can you get back to me once you have the final numbers? Loop someone in. To include a new person in an email thread or an ongoing conversation.
إشراك شخص ما أو وضعه في الصورة.
I'm gonna loop in Sarah from marketing. Thanks for looping me in on this discussion. We need to loop in the legal team before we sign. Starting and planning. Get the ball rolling. To start a process, project, or activity.
يبدأ التنفيذ أو يطلق المشروع.
We need to get the ball rolling on the new website design. Let's have a meeting to get the ball rolling. Who is going to get the ball rolling on this task? On the same page. When everyone agrees or understands the same plan or information.
على نفس الموجة أو متفقون.
Before we start, I want to make sure we're all on the same page. We need a meeting to ensure the whole team is on the same page. Are we on the same page regarding the deadline? Back to the drawing board. To start over from the beginning, because a previous plan failed.
العودة إلى نقطة البداية أو البدء من جديد.
That idea didn't work, so it's back to the drawing board. The client rejected the proposal, so we're back to the drawing board. If this fails, we'll have to go back to the drawing board. Think outside the box. To think of creative, non-traditional, or unusual ideas.
التفكير خارج الصندوق أو تفكير إبداعي.
We need to think outside the box to solve this budget issue. His ability to think outside the box makes him a great designer. Let's try to think outside the box for this marketing campaign. Hit the ground running. To start a new job or project with great energy, speed, and immediate success.
يبدأ بقوة ونشاط أو يدخل في صلب العمل فوراً.
The new hire really hit the ground running. We need someone who can hit the ground running on day one. I want us to hit the ground running as soon as the funding arrives. Deadlines and capacity. Ballpark figure. A rough estimate, or an approximate number.
رقم تقديري أو تقريب تقريبي.
Can you give me a ballpark figure for the project cost? I don't need the exact price, just a ballpark figure. The ballpark figure for the renovation is around $50,000. ASAP, an acronym for as soon as possible.
في أقرب وقت ممكن.
I need those files ASAP. Please call me back ASAP. The client wants the draft ASAP. Bandwidth. A person's mental or physical capacity or time to take on more work.
القدرة الاستيعابية أو الوقت المتاح.
I'd love to help, but I don't have the bandwidth this week. Do you have the bandwidth to take on a new project? We need to check the team's bandwidth before accepting more orders. On my plate. The amount of work or responsibilities someone is currently handling.
على عاتقي أو لدي الكثير من العمل.
I have a lot on my plate right now. With the new product launch, she has too much on her plate. I can't take that on. Deadline. The final date or time by which a task must be finished.
الموعد النهائي أو الموعد الأخير.
The deadline for the presentation is Friday at 5 p.m. We are working hard to meet the deadline. Is there any way to extend the deadline? Success and results. Win-win situation. A result or agreement that benefits everyone involved.
وضع يربح فيه الجميع.
If we partner up, it'll be a win-win situation. We are looking for a win-win situation for both companies. Flexible hours are a win-win situation for the staff and the boss. The bottom line, the most important point, or the final profit or loss of a business.
الخلاصة أوصاف الأرباح.
The bottom line is that we need to save money. How will this new policy affect the bottom line? Forget the details. Go the extra mile to do more than what is required or expected of you.
يبذل جهدا إضافيا.
She always goes the extra mile for her clients. To get a promotion, you need to go the extra mile. The hotel staff really went the extra mile to make us comfortable. Call it a day. To stop working, usually because you have done enough or are tired.
ينهي العمل لهذا اليوم أو يكتفي بهذا القدر.
We've done enough for now. It's 6 p.m. I'm exhausted. Cut corners. To do something poorly or skip steps to save time or money.
يتبع طرقا مختصرة غالبا سلبية أو يختصر الإجراءات بإهمال.
We can't cut corners on safety. The builder cut corners on the materials, and now the roof leaks. Don't cut corners.
انتهى الفيديو، شكرا على المشاهدة.